Hi guys, subscribe and hit the bell button to get all the latest updates from AglaSem.
Hi guys, welcome to AglaSem. ICSI CS Admit Card for Executive and Professional June 2018 has been made available online at ICSI official website, that is www.icsi.indiaeducation.net. All students who has applied for ICSI CS Executive Program and CS Professional Program to be conducted by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, that is ICSI, can download their admit card from the official website by using 17 digits registration number. The direct link to download ICSI CS Admit Card June session 2018 is provided in the description box. The exam date for CS Foundation June examination are 9 June 2018, that is for paper 1 and paper 2, 10th June 2018, that is for paper 3 and paper 4, and for the CS Executive June examination dates are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 June 2018. Now let's move on to the steps that you need to follow for admit card download. Go to the official website or click the link given in the description box. Enter your 17-digit registration number. Click the Get Admit Card button. The admit card will be displayed. Verify the details and save the admit card. Take a printout and carry it to appear in the ICSI CS Exam 2018. Documents to be carried to the examination hall are hard copy of ICSI CS 2018 admit card, student identity card. In case if due to any reason if some of the candidates are not holding the identity card due to some technical or practical problem, they may bring any other photo identity card issued by the government department such as passport, driving license, PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter card, etc. That's it for this video guys. All the best for your exam. For more such videos, subscribe to AglaSem.
Learn more and better with AglaSem.com.